Inadmissible expenses are what? Like partners benefit, like salary, commission, bonus, interest on capital. If anything is there which is not related to your business, you're supposed to minus. Only take your net profit, add all inadmissible expenses, minus all admissible income, and income or other head income, you will get your book profit. After getting book profit minus remuneration, you will get your business income. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your Adasa here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are discussing session 5, unit 4 of your income tax 2. In this, we are discussing the topic called assessment of partnership firm. Now, so we have done almost 5 to 6 problems on assessment of partnership firm. From today onwards, whatever problem we do, that is your question paper problem, and in your question paper problem, the 15-mark problem you will get on this topic. Now, so whatever you got in the previous year exam question paper, those questions we will solve from today onwards. Now, your agenda is very simple. We'll go with problems on assessment of partnership firm. Your questions will be like this. They will give you the heading with adjustment, then complete P&L they will give you. Now, the following is the profit and loss account. A firm XYZ. There are 3 partners are there. Then satisfies all conditions of section 184. What is 184? Very simple. In the partnership, they must have agreed to share profit. They must have partnership deed, and they must in the partnership deed, what are the contents are there? Everything which are included in your section 184. It is immaterial. Only in the question they have mentioned. Nothing to worry about that. Then 40B. 40B talks about what? Remuneration. Yes. For the year ending March 2020 is as follows. Sales tax of previous year is paid. So these are the information is not recorded in the books. Compute book profit. In this, they have not given any adjustment. Will come later about adjustment. Now, so one more thing, we'll add one more adjustment here. Half of the building used for business. Half of the building is used for business. Their partnership form business. Now, along with that, we have profit and loss account. You know the concept. Always remember what we are supposed to do with this profit and loss account. Very simple. We have to take the net profit. We have to take the net profit. I'll show you. So make it as a blueprint for your calculation, how to do with your partnership form if it is a 15-mark problem. So you don't want any format for this. It is very easy. You will understand easily. Now, this will be your format. What you are supposed to do, you are supposed to find out the book profit. How to find out book profit? Easy. You are supposed to do here net profit. Net profit. It will be given in the question itself. You have to take out net profit. Then add inadmissible items or expenses. Inadmissible expenses you are supposed to add. What are those inadmissible expenses? Remember, in this we get like partners benefit. Partners benefit. What are the benefits we have? Like in this we get salary, commission, bonus, interest on capital. In this, remember, excess of 12%. If they have given 13%, only 1%, extra 1%, 12. What is the limit? 12. In the question, they have given 13%. What we are supposed to do? The extra 1%, what they have given, that much only we have to take. If it is a 14%, take 2% extra. 18%, take that 6% extra. Whatever extra is given, we are supposed to take out. Hope you are clear. Good. Now, inadmissible expenses are what? Like partners' benefit, like salary, commission, bonus, interest on capital. Along with this, remember, if there are any tax, if there are any provisions, if there are anything personal expenses, all comes under your inadmissible expenses. Hope you are clear. Everything you will get it in which side? Debit side of your question. If you have a P&L account, everything you will get it from debit side. Hope you are clear. What you are supposed to add as an inadmissible? All the benefits of partnership, salary, commission, bonus, and interest on capital excess of 12%. Now, along with this, we are supposed to take tax. It may be municipal tax, income tax, all kinds of taxes will come. Provisions for expenses, provisions for debtors, provision for income tax, all kinds of provisions will come. Personal expenses, if any personal expenses are there, we are supposed to consider. Hope you are clear. Remember, these are the inadmissible expenses. Now, what we are supposed to minus, I'll come back later. First, we'll work out this one. All this information, you will get it which side of the P&L? Debit side, left side of the P&L. Now, we go to question. In this, first, what we are supposed to do, we have to take net profit. What is your net profit? 16,000 is your net profit. These are your total. Clear? What is your net profit? 16. See your answer. Particular net profit is 16,000. For that, you should add what? Inadmissible expenses debited to P&L. Add. Which are those? Now, everything you will get it from the debit side only. In this, cost of the goods sold, part of the business. Without selling your goods, you cannot run your business. Those are your part of your business. Then, remuneration, yes, you're supposed to take. See, go back to our format. See, salary. Salary comes under remuneration. Then, income tax, yes. Again, go back to our format. In the format I have mentioned, income tax we have to consider. After income tax, interest on partners' capital. Again, we'll go back to our format. As per the format, we should take interest on capital, but up to what limit? Up to 12% we are not supposed to take. Excess of 12% we should take. Now, as per this, interest on partners 13.5. What is the extra here? Minus 12. Your answer is 1.5%. What is the extra here? 1.5%. How to find out 1.5%? Remember, 20,000 multiplied with 1.5 divided by what is the percentage? 13.5. You will get the answer. Like this, you are supposed to find out. Easy method. What is the extra? We have 1.5. How much is there in the question paper? 13.5. 1.5 divided by 13.5. Now you tell me the calculation for second one. How to calculate 50,000? 5,000. Yes. 5,000 into 1.5 divided by 13.5. Good. Similarly, 30,000 into 1.5 divided by 13.5. Like this, you are supposed to calculate the excess interest credited. Now, go back to your answer. In the answer, remuneration to partners, 3 lakh, 4 lakh 50, 27 500. 3 lakh, 4 lakh 50, 27 500. Then, what is the excess? Like on 20,000 into 1.5 divided by 13.5, 5,000 into 1.5 divided by 13.5, 30,000 into 1.5 divided by 13.5. If you do this calculation, 2,222, 556, 3,333, your answer will be 6,111. Hope you are clear. Yes, good. Now, municipal tax. Again, as I told you, I can go back. Municipal tax of the house property. Any tax paid, we should consider. See your format. Any tax paid, we should consider. But in the adjustment, they have given half of the building used for business. So how much we have to take? Only half in this. 2,500. Half of the 2,500, 1,250. Yes. Up to this, hope there is no doubt. Then again come back. Municipal tax over other expenses are part of the business. Donation, yes, I have forgot to add in the format. Donation also you are supposed to take. Donation nothing but your personal one. If you choose, if you wish, you can do donation. But donation nothing to link with your business. That's why we call it as a personal one. That's why donation also part of your inadmissible expenses. Now, we'll take donation to cash. 24. Total how much? 8,29,111 is your book profit. Before you're taking your book profit, you're supposed to minus something. What is that? I'll go for that. Up to this, hope any doubt? Net profit plus add all this. Now, continuation, less non-business income credited to P&L. Now, I'll go back to question. This is your answer. In the question, credit side means the right side we get which are not related to your business. If anything is there which is not related to your business, you're supposed to minus. Now, as I gave you the examples, like you have a mobile shop. In the mobile shop, selling mobile is what? Part of your business. In the mobile shop, if you are selling books, is it part of your business? No. Only selling and giving service to your mobile, that is called part of the business. Selling books, selling vegetables in your mobile shop, all comes under personal. It is not your part of your business. Or mobile shop, you have one more building in the first floor. You have given that building for rent. That is also not part of your business. Your business is only to sell mobile, only to repair mobile. Other than selling and repairing mobile, if you get any other income, we call it as your admissible income or admissible item. Like in your mobile business, you got huge profit, you deposited into bank 10 lakh. From 10 lakh, you are getting interest. Those interest also your personal, that is not your mobile. Clear? Only by selling whatever you get, by repairing whatever you get, that is only we call it as business income. Other than that, whatever happens is not your business income. Hope you are clear. Good. Now, in this sales commission agency, see, sales is a part of your business. Yes. Can we take it as other than business? No, it is a part of your business. Then rent of house property, these are your personal. You are supposed to take it. You are supposed to subtract. Then interest on debenture. See, interest on debenture is not your business, but also it is there. We have to subtract. Now, only two things are there, 25 and 30. Now, as per this, rent of property, and interest on debenture 25 plus 30, and one more allowable expenses not debited. Your sales tax paid is 1461 minus all these 3. Now, so sales tax in the adjustment they have given, yes, sales tax of previous year 1919 1461 paid on 1/1/2020. This has to be deducted. Now, so 1141, your final answer is, your book profit is 7,72,650. Now, so in the question they have asked us only to find out book profit. So we have done up to book profit. Now, if you want to do it further, if you want to find business income, what we are supposed to do? Minus salary, remuneration, like 3 cases, up to 3 lakhs, certain percentage, 3 lakh to and above 60%, compare with 1,50,000, whichever is higher, again compare with the actual one, whichever is less. All those calculations they have not asked, so we are not doing here. Hope you are clear. Yes, so please take screenshot of this problem. We'll go for one more problem. So this is a format. Your problem number 8. Question of problem 8. Solution part of problem 8. Continuation of problem 8. So now we are into problem number 9. Apply the same format, we'll work out the problem. So we should start our answer with what? Net profit. Now, as per this problem, in this the net profit is how much? 2,60,000. We should start our answer with net profit. Now, for net profit, add inadmissible expenses. Which are those? Like cost of goods sold, part of the business. Remuneration to partners, take. Interest to partners, 18%. Only are supposed to take how much? 6. Because 18 minus 12, you will get 6%. Then, municipal tax of the house, take. House property, take. Other expenses, part of the business. Only you have to concentrate on what? Anything which is given to partners, any taxes paid, any provisions made, any donations made. These are the 4 things you are supposed to take. Now, other expenses, cost of goods sold, everything is a part of the business. So these are the things supposed to be added, and these are the things supposed to be minus, subtracted. Now, sales, part of the business. Rent, dividend, not part of the business. So you are supposed to consider 60,000 and 1,70,000. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, so you have to add remuneration, interest on partners, capital, municipal tax. These 3 things are add. Now, what are the things minus in this? Rent and dividend. These 2 we are supposed to minus. Now we will go to answer. So adjustment in this, out of other expenses, 18,400 not deductible under section 36 and 38 subsection 1. So other expenses only you have to consider 18,400. Then the firm pays outstanding sales tax liability 54,700. What is outstanding? 54,700. Amount pertaining to the previous year, it has been debited. So regarding your sales tax, calculate book profit, business income. See, in this we are supposed to find out book profit also, business income also. Now, we'll start with your net profit. What is your net profit? Your net profit is 2,60,000. 2,60,000 we consider as net profit. Then add inadmissible expenses. I'll go back to your question. See, 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 things we are supposed to add. First one, remuneration to partners. We added. Then interest on partners, 60,000 we have. So I'll give you two options. You can do like this. 60,000 into 12 by 18, whatever answer you get, 60 minus 40, you will get 20,000. One more option I'll give you. R. Whatever you have, 60,000 into, in the question how much they have given? 18. What is the extra? 6. 6 by 18. If you do this also, you will get 20,000 only. Hope you are clear. You can do like this also, or else you can do like this also. Both you will get same answer. Now, 20,000 over municipal tax of the house property, full value we are supposed to take. Other expenses, remember, we are not supposed to take, but in the adjustment, if they have given means, we are supposed to take 18,400. Add all this, 5,12,000, total is 7,72,000. Net profit plus inadmissible expenses, all put together 7,72,400. Hope now we are clear with this concept. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now minus what? Other income. What kind of income? Interest received, dividend received, rent received, all comes under other income. Inadmissible expenses not debited to P&L. Outstanding sales tax 54,000. 7,70,000 in this 54,700. I'll go back to your adjustment. See, adjustment they have given 54,700 minus. Along with that, we have rent from house property, dividend. All put together, if you minus, you will get 4,87,700. How much you will get? Your book profit is 4,87,700. Easiest one. If you work out, you will feel that easily you can score 15 marks from this topic. Nothing changes. Only take your net profit, add all inadmissible expenses, minus all admissible income, and income or other head income, you will get your book profit. After getting book profit minus remuneration, you will get your business income. So how much you got? 4,87,700. For this, up to 3 lakh. What is the percentage? 90%. Above 3 lakh, how much we have? 1,87,700. On that, 60%. Or 1,50,000, whichever is high. Hope you know this. How to find out remuneration? On this, up to 3 lakh 90%, above 3 lakh 60%. Whatever answer you get, compare with 1,50,000. So this is R. OR. So compare with 1,50,000, whichever is higher, you compare with your actual remuneration. Now I'll go for that. Now, actual remuneration is 4,49,000. I'll show you. See in the question, remuneration is given 4,49,000. Now, maximum limit is how much? Just now I showed you 3 lakh into 90%, 1,87,000 into 60%. 3 lakh into 90%, 1,87,000 into 60%. How much you got? So 3 lakh into 90%, you get 2,70,000. 1,87,000 into 60%, you will get 1,50,000. If it is confusing for you, I'll make it simple. See, you have 4 lakh. What is this one? 4,87,700. 4,87,700. In this, what we have done? We have classified into up to 3 lakh. And above 3 lakh is 1,87,700. On this 90%, on this 60%. Hope you are clear. So if it is confusing, you can use this format. Now on 3 lakh 90% means it will be 2,70,000. 60% it will be 1,12,620. So all put together, you will get 3,82,620. Or maximum limit is 1 lakh, standard limit is 1,50,000, whichever is higher. Out of this, whichever is higher, what we did, that is your step 1. Step 1, whichever is higher. Your answer is 3,82,620 is your answer. Any doubt in the step 1? No doubt. What we did, we have taken this book profit, calculated 90%, calculated 60%. If you add both, you got 3,82,620. Compare with the standard limit 1,50,000, whichever is higher. 3,82,620 is a higher. What is the second step? Compare this 3,82,000 with actual. Actual is how much? Actual remuneration is 4,49,000. In this, whichever is less. Out of these two, whichever is less, that is your answer. Which is less? This is less. So what is your final answer? 3,82,620 is your final answer. Hope you are clear. Hope it is clear to you. Now, 3,82,620 is your final answer. Take this 3,82,620. Now, again come back. Whatever answer you got, you have to minus from this. 4,87,000 minus 3,82,000. Your business income is 1,05,008. Hope you are clear. This much only you are supposed to do. So this much only you are supposed to do. Remember this. Clear? This is what your business income. Now I'll go back to your previous slides. Please take screenshot. Problem number 9. Your question. Solution part. Second part of your solution. Your last part of your solution. So in this, remember, if you did not understand this, you can work out this one. You can go for this method. Whatever answer you got minus, you will get your final answer, business income. Now, so today's homework is very simple. What is your today's homework? Now, you have to explain me section 40 subsection B. Again, I'll repeat. You have to explain me section 40 subsection B. Just in 2 lines. What is that? It talks about what and what it is actually. What you are supposed to do in the homework, section 40 subsection B. You have to explain me in just 2 lines in your comment box. Thank you.